How's it going? So this is new to me, CBD hemp. And we have an organic farm here that we just purchased. We've got it certified and we're wanting to grow CBD a little bit different way and integrate animals in here to do a lot of the work. Now we did still do some cultivation here. This is an old BMX track and cattle and horse pasture. So we've got this work down. We applied swine solution or hog manure here. And what we're going to do is take these CBD clones and place them in 30-inch rows at a stagger. And then we're going to put a very large gap between the rows. So the 30 inches will allow us to do cultivation in between the rows and just outside the rows. And then we'll have a large solar corridor. So these plants will of course grow out and express their genetics and still leave a relatively large gap, 70 or 80 inches wide, to allow a cover crop to grow a lot of vigor. Now the cover crop, since it has this animal manure underneath it, is going to grow vigorous and outcompete all these noxious summer weeds that are wanting to grow in this organic context. So that'll be allowed to grow, and then we're going to start bringing chicken tractors in here. So chickens, we put in a little mobile coop. We'll move them regularly through the day. They'll sit there and peck in search of larvae and mat down that vegetation. Then we'll be bringing sheep in here with the polywire fence between the plants. And then our hopes is as this hemp gets big and can really defend itself, they would much rather have a salad bar than eating CBD hemp. So we'll let them in here and graze and manage that weed. So the baseline foundation is we have a predictable plant that the animals will prefer and they'll eat that. So aside from the CBD, we'll be doing the same thing with popcorn and opening this up to the public for them to come out and actually pick this CBD hemp themselves. I think above and beyond the labeling, full transparency will be the new thing in ag, and this will allow people to come out and actually see what they're wanting to consume to put in their bodies, and we'll learn with them. But all right, plenty to look forward to.